Introduction to Software Development Methodologies, Agile and Beyond. Before Agile development, companies spend tremendous efforts in preparing analysis and design documents. This is partly due to standards audits and partly due to the beliefs that good software comes from good design documentation, and good design documentation comes from good analysis models. These beliefs are true, but only partly. Many software engineers have experienced that in some cases it is impossible to determine the real requirements or whether the design works until the code is written and tested. In these cases, comprehensive documentation won't help and might be harmful because it gives the illusion that a working solution has been found. Comprehensive documentation also means less time is available to coding and testing, which are the only means in these cases to identify the real requirements and the needed design. Agile software development emphasizes small, incremental releases and frequent iterations. Agile projects are developed and deployed in manageable increments, delivering use cases, user stories, or features iteratively. This approach provides several advantages. It makes project progress visible, allows users to learn a few new features at a time, encourages user feedback, and reduces the risk of project failure by focusing on smaller, manageable releases. A key aspect of Agile development is the frequent delivery of software products. Before Agile, iterative processes like the spiral and unified process also existed, but Agile methods differ in their emphasis on frequent, small-scale releases. Various Agile methods recommend different iteration lengths. For example, Dynamic Systems Development Method suggests 2 to 6 weeks. Extreme Programming excuses on to 4 weeks, and Scrum defines iterations known as events lasting 30 days. Many software development teams favor 2-week iterations as they provide a realistic time frame for developers to complete specific tasks. The methodology presented in this context recommends iterations of 2 to 4 weeks. Another principle of Agile is to complete each feature fully before moving on to the next. This means that a feature must be 100% implemented and thoroughly tested before starting a new one. Test-driven development and test coverage criteria play a crucial role in ensuring thorough testing. TID requires that tests for each feature are written before implementation begins, encouraging programmers to fully understand the feature upfront. This allows for immediate and frequent testing. Test coverage criteria, such as 100 branch coverage, ensure that every branch of each conditional statement in the code is tested at least once, which many companies adopt as a standard for thorough testing.